Hello everybody and once again welcome to my channel Edu. Today we are going to talk about Bhujangasana, the technique to do it, the uses and especially the most important when not it should be used. Let's get started. This is the posture that we're going to attain after following all the techniques and the steps correctly. Bhujangasana. In Sanskrit, Bhuja refers to as the upper arm and Bhujanga means a serpent. This exercise resembles a large snake. This exercise is also called as the cobra pose. Hence, it is termed as Bhujangasana. It stretches the back and holds the weight on the arms to strengthen them. Technique. Lie down on the ground with face downward, that is in prone lying. Keep the palm on the ground beside the chest. Inhale slowly and raise the hand and trunk as in the shape of the hood of the cobra. Hold in this position for a few seconds and take normal breath. Exhale slowly and come back to the normal position. Please remember, this exercise must be done very slowly and smoothly as possible. In start, holding the weight on the arms might seem to very hard, but make it a point not to overstress your arms, not to overstress the muscles. Hold it as for as much time as you can and slowly increase the time. Therapeutic advantages. This exercise gives strength to the muscles of the neck, back and trunk by stretching them. Hence the pain in the regions of back, trunk and neck are cured. This exercise helps to cure backache. The abdominal areas are activated and hence the pancreas, stomach, liver and other digestive organs will be strengthened. This cures indigestion and other abdominal disorders. This exercise cures various menstrual problems like dysmenorrhea, pain during menstruation. Helps reduce kyphosis. Kyphosis is an abnormal tilt of the spinal cord. Those who are suffering from stiffness in spinal cord are advised to practice this exercise very slowly. Should not be performed when? This is the last and the most important thing. During pregnancy, after an abdominal surgery, during carpal tunnel syndrome, as the arms won't be able to handle the weight and the carpal tunnel might get very exaggerated. The pain might just increase. During spinal injuries. Thank you. Do subscribe to my channel, like and comment and let me know on what would you like to have videos the next. Thank you.